together as we welcome Mrs. Kiki Sylvie. Thank you very much, Mother.
Thank you all, thank you all. Please, if you are celebrating Kiki services, then please do it better. I celebrate you all, and I want to assure you that you will not only hear about Kiki services, you will see it, you will experience it, you will eat it. Kiki services is here to make your life better, I assure you. The decor you see here, the food you will eat, the cake you are going to taste, you will experience it, I can assure you. Kiki services is an organization, an enterprise that deals with housekeeping services, catering, and food processing. And I would like to bring to your notice that in Kiki services, we make your life easy. If you see the day and you don't have strength to cook, you can call Kiki services. We clean homes, we provide housekeeping services to make your home comfortable at your convenience, and our prices are so moderate. And one thing that is so special about Kiki services is that we are legal, we are registered with the government. And I'm sure we are all young people here and we'll be getting married, right? If you want to get married, just call Kiki services. We will not stress. We plan your event for you very well. We bring the decor, we bring the food, we bring natural juice. You are going to experience it when you go to the table. So I would like you to always call Kiki services. After this, you can get my card, and anything you need will be provided for you. Thank you very much.